一人が四つ葉のリゾート計画に反対して前座がかなりの高血圧で悩んでいるので
How is my favorite character. I wish he didn't die. Let's do the dessert that he like. I start with agar-agar jelly. I add the agar-agar powder into water and turn the heat on. Keep stir until it is all well combined. And then it's time for add sugar in it. Stir it again until it's all dissolved. Pour the mixer into any square container that you have and let it cool and set in the fridge. It's time for dango. I use this brand. They say it is number one. I'm not sure it is true though. Mix the water with flour and massage it until you got smooth texture. Separate it into small pieces and then roll them into a round shape. Press on the center. I don't mean to be rude. I don't know why I use middle finger. I use the correct finger for the last one though. Let all of them jump in the hot water. Boil until they float up. Rescue them and let them sit in the ice cold water. Cut agar-agar jelly into a small square. I don't know why I look like a murderer. This is the red bean press that I use. Let's combine everything together. I start with agar-agar jelly and then dango and orange side by side. Red bean press. I can't find cherry, so I use strawberry instead. Let dissolve dark sugar syrup on it.
Unreal. It's so difficult.
I love all the combinations. Chewy from dango, refreshing from orange and strawberry. Heavenly.